Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm Syed Muhammad Afiq Rizki bin Syed Nasir from SK Kalaj Kelantan. I have 5 siblings and I am the second. I'm into reading and I love to read storybooks. Today, I'm here to review a book. The title of the book is The Chick and the Duckling by Alice Tong. This book has 16 pages and was published by Little Sun Sendirian Berhad. I love to read this story because it has a simple and yet interesting story that carries moral values such as helping each other and being obedient to the parents. The book cover is really attractive with colorful illustration. The book contains interesting pictures and simple readable text. It will be able to capture children's attention while reading or being read to. Besides, it provides the question and answer at the end of the book, so it will enhance our thinking. I would like to recommend this book to my fellow friends because it has an interesting storyline. The chick tries to copy the duckling. Everything that the duckling does, the chick tries to do too. The chick wants to swim, but his parents did not allow as they worried he would drown himself. But the chick did not listen to his parents. At the end, the duckling went for a swim. The chick tries to swim, but he started to drown. The duckling saved the chick. My favorite part is when the chick tries to swim, but then he learns he can't swim. My favorite character is the duckling. The duck seems nice when he tries to help the chick. They are good friends. The moral values of this book are we have to help each other and listen to our parents. I sincerely recommend this book and I'm sure you will love this book too. If you like to read about something funny or good about good friends, you might enjoy this book. That's all my book review for this time. Till then, thank you.